In this video, let's take a look at how we can turn off the auto answer feature. So let's just get started. Obviously, the auto answer applies to the phone app. So whenever you are receiving a phone call, you may not even be asked to pick it up manually, but it just does it on its own. So just go to the settings and find accessibility. Then when you get inside, scroll down a bit until you find the touch section. So click on touch right there. And then entirely at the bottom, we can find call audio routing. And when you get there, some options at the top, but what we are interested in is the auto answer calls. And obviously there's one toggle, so if you want to get rid of it, just turn it off like that. You're going to be fine with just disabling, but you can also play around with the time options. So you can leave it on. Perhaps you might want to bump it up to like 10 seconds of waiting until the call gets picked up automatically. But generally speaking, this is the important part that you need to know about, as this is likely going to make your device more usable, because since this is the thing that you were kind of struggling with. So I hope that I could help you with this issue. Let me know below in the comments if it worked. Most definitely subscribe for more guides and tutorials similar to this one, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.